Can you see me, Mordecai?
Your this thing, I don't know what is wrong with my camera. I can see myself, but I can hear you. I can't see you because I did a testing with my co-founder, and the same thing happened. But he said he can see me.
Yeah, I can see you actually. I think this thing happens sometimes. I don't know why Facebook do that.
Okay, no problem. Let me tell him to
Hmm.
join us. Let me chat him, tell him to join.
Okay. Sorry, lower your this thing there, please.
I should
Okay,
do
tell
what?
him to join. No, not you, not you.
Okay.
Hmm. Why we wait for our colleagues? So let me just do other things. I'm trying to. Why we wait for my second guest? Okay. Okay, now I see why that. I don't really know why I can't see you, Mordecai.
You can't see me. Can you see me now?
No, 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 no. Let the other guest just join so that I can see if I can see him from here.
Okay.
Please, guys, share the live so that we can have more people before we start. Please share the live while we wait for the second guest. We are going to have a very beautiful day today. You are going to learn a lot from these guys. They are into tech. I as well am into tech, but their own, they have gone too far. So you are going to be amazed. You are not going to regret anything today. Actually, we are supposed to go live on TikTok, YouTube, but I'm just having some gadget problems. So thank you guys for joining. Please share it to your loved ones, share it to your WhatsApp status, Facebook status, and other places so that we can be able to have more guests before we start. Okay, they say they can see Mordecai.
Yeah.
There's people they say they can see you.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Cool.
You know, people can see you, but you may not see me.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm surprised.
But I can see you. Who is our second guest? What is his name, please?
Name is Canis. Obi.
Okay,
Obi
Canis.
Canis.
I think I'm adding him on.
Okay.
Mm. Please like this live, comment, and okay. Canis, are you here with us? I think I'm adding him on. Canis. 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 Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. I think I'm becoming smaller due to
I'm trying to see how to do this on laptop, but it's kind of working. I'm using my phone because of what I'll. Let me see. Can I share on this place?
Just take your
Way I
time.
can share a screen.
You want to share your screen?
I'm asking, is it possible I can share screen here? This is my first time using Facebook Live.
Yeah, I don't think if you can share, just try your luck. If you can share your screen, it's okay. If you can't, we can do some kind of amendment. You, Canis, are you
Okay,
here?
okay.
I've accepted you
I
since.
understand. He said he's waiting for you to accept him.
I've already accepted you. I don't know what is going on. Let me try again. Can you cancel and send me request again, Canis? Or can you comment so that I can? Okay, okay. I've seen you.
People are
Canis,
asking, is he only for
can you send me request
people
again,
are asking,
Canis?
people are asking, is he only for Facebook?
Yeah, it should be different other places, but some of my phone and all, I don't know what is happening today, honestly. Let's just do on Facebook. I'll upload it on the other platforms, please.
No problem.
We have AI gurus here today, so you guys need to be here. Spend your data today to learn something good. You know, Mordecai, okay, I think I've seen this guy. Let's see if he will come up.
You're saying something, you have what?
Wait, I'm coming. Is he here now?
Yes, yes.
I've not seen him. Let me see if I can.
I can see you, but I'm not seeing Mordecai.
You can see me now.
Yeah,
That
but
is
I'm not
Facebook
seeing
for you.
Mordecai.
I think I'm only seeing. I can't even see him, but
I was
okay,
seeing him before.
I can see both of you now. Yeah, Eunice, how are you doing? Canis.
Yes, yes. I'm doing fine. You?
Please, guys, share this live so that we can have enough people before we start this conversation. It is going to benefit every one of you today. This is not pay service. You need to do it for free. Share it for others to come and learn, please. Guys, share, 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 share. Right, Precious, thank you for being here. Um, Raymond Prince, you're welcome. Share on your status everywhere. Don't be stingy. We are giving it to you free, so share it to everyone. I don't know why I'm not really. What of Mordecai? Is Mordecai here?
I can't see him, but he was showing before.
Yeah, I can't just see him again. I don't know what that. You know, Facebook. This is the only problem they are having in their life.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll reschedule it on other platforms like TikTok
Like
and
TikTok. Yeah, TikTok is
yeah, it's
better.
more better. And YouTube.
Yeah.
Let me shut him up. Or you can shut him up.
Okay. All right. I'll just test him.
We We are going to have a very beautiful day today. Very, very beautiful day. As you can see what I'm putting on, please, this is Mira Global. Mira Global Services is one of the strongest and one of the best, one of most trusted traveling agents in Nigeria and UK. So if you want to study abroad, contact them, Mira Global on Facebook. Mira Global Services. Well trusted. No wayo. What they cannot do, they cannot advise you to go on with it. Have you spoken with Mordecai? Please, guys, share the live. Share the live. Share to different groups on your WhatsApp status, Facebook status. Please comment if you are here with us. No, I can't see him. Mordecai, are you here? I think maybe he's having network problem. We are going to wait for him. We'll give him like 1 minute more before we proceed. Canis, are you there? Canis, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay. How is Canada today?
It's a bit cold, but we are coping. Yeah, the weather is okay. You know, still very early in the morning. You know.
Okay. Because I
Yeah.
can see you putting on some jackets. That's why.
Yeah.
That's why we are better than you guys.
No, always Africa is always will
Yeah.
always be the best in terms of weather and
Especially
everything.
Nigeria. We have a very
Yeah,
good weather.
Yeah, of course. Of course. You can't even compare.
No comparison at all. Okay, Mordecai, I will accept you now. I don't know whether you went to eat your breakfast or dinner. Mordecai, are you here?
Yes, 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 yes.
What happened to you now?
I just have some this thing. What's it called?
Network
Got
problem.
free. Yes, so I'm here
But it's
now.
better now. It's better now, right?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. Nice. We need to start because I'm having another program very soon. Okay, I think I can see you now from here. Okay, Mordecai, can you introduce yourself to your fans, please? Please, if you are here, please help me share this live program so that we can start, so that other people can be able to see us and learn from us. Mordecai, are you there? Mordecai,
Yeah.
I think you need to introduce yourself so that we can start, okay? Even if we don't have much people watching,
Come
at
again. I
least
didn't hear you.
I will repost it. Can you hear me now?
Your line is breaking. Your line is breaking. Come again. Sorry.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, Facebook. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can't you hear me? I can hear you.
Okay, just a little introduction so that we can start.
Okay, okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And my name is Mordecai. I'm a Nigerian based here in Nairobi, and I'm an AI I'm, I'm an AI solution architect, and I build AI solution for companies in Africa, and build softwares and SaaS system. And I've been in the AI system for the past 2 years plus right now. I'm a certified data science. I have my BSc in architecture in the University of Nnamdi Azikiwe University. So that is a little I can say about me right now. My co-founder Kanisobi, he was on the line. I don't know what happened. He has gone off the line.
I think maybe it's network problem. The same thing we are having here. Sometimes Facebook used to misbehave. So, but we will continue so that whenever he joins us, we can add him in. What do you think?
Okay, no problem. Is he trying to come in or what?
Yeah, he's trying to come in. I want to add him in.
Okay.
Kani.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, Kani, I can hear you clearly.
Oh, okay.
So just make
Okay.
introduction of yourself so that we can begin, okay?
Oh, okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon or good evening, I guess. Good afternoon, I guess. My name is Kenny Sobi. I'm a full stack web developer. I've been in the AI space for the past 3 years now, and I've used AI to build so many AI solutions, um, hospital management systems, business solutions, and I've done a lot of automation using AI. So basically, that is what I can say for now.
Well, I'm really, really glad having you guys here. I think it is obvious to have gurus here, people who knows better about AI. And I'm really, really glad that you guys are here with us and people are going to learn. This is a free event anyway because nobody pays for this. And everybody will have opportunity to ask questions here. Please, if you have your question, prepare it so that everybody will ask whatever you want. They are ready to answer you. Thank you very much. Mordecai, can you hear me? I want to start with you, please. Mordecai, are you there?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. A lot of people hear about AI every day, but what exactly is AI? What do they use AI for, and why is it trending? What is all about this AI?
Okay. Thank you very much for that question. First of all, let's say the full meaning of AI, which is artificial intelligence. That's the full meaning of AI. Artificial intelligence, like you can hear it, artificial intelligence, intelligence that is artificial. The meaning of AI is, let me take it in a layman's term, is an assistant that has come into an industrial revolution we are undertaking right now to assist you in your day-to-day tasks, in your businesses, in your daily activities, because we are in a world where we use most things with computer and everything. But artificial intelligence is something that has helped us to come and explain things and ease some tasks that we are doing that are very, very complex in order for us to do the tasks ourselves. I don't know if I kind of broke it down for you to understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, it's for our fans. You need to break it down so that our fans will always get you. You know, on this particular app, we have so many kind of people. So whenever you're speaking to them, you need to put it in layman's language so that everybody will be able to understand what you're saying. Okay?
Okay.
So you can really break it down a little bit because from what you are saying now, you say AI can be used for different things, offices and different kind of work. So what is really this AI like? Explain it so that people can be able to understand you.
Okay, let me use an instance, for example. Uh, like we all, I can say basically, if not 60 or 70% of the audience here are Nigerians. We all started from the era where from primary school, from kindergarten, or people that went to nursery school with the slate board. Then you started using chalk. From chalk, you graduated into pencil. From pencil, which is in primary school, then you start using biro in some classes. It's a transition. And when you get to secondary school, you start using something. Science students start using some things in the lab, and so on and so forth. So where I'm going to right now is chalk was invented in order for teachers to write on the board so you can see and understand what the teacher is writing. So from that, the slate was what you're going to write on. Then transition into the paper, which was using, you have to use a pencil, then you have to use a biro. All these are transitioning and stage of innovation. So when all these things are transitioning, the teacher never left. The teacher has always been there, which is the instructor. So now we are transitioning into an industrial revolution where AI, artificial intelligence, is a tool that we use to ease our workflow, our day-to-day life. For example, there are some AI tools that people like, for example, this meeting, this Facebook live we are doing now. There are some automations you can build or you can automate. It's just for you to give in access to your Facebook account. It can help you book a live meeting for you, help you put a topic for you according to the topic you set it up, instead of you going manually and doing all those things. But that did not replace you as an individual doing it, but it has eased you the stress of clicking so many buttons in order to have the live streaming. That is an example of a pen. Let me bring up another example. For an instance, you have a house, you brought in a chef to cook. When you bring in a chef to cook for you don't have to bring, if you bring in the chef, the kitchen is there, the menu of ingredient of what he or she is going to cook is there. When you tell the chef, go into the kitchen and make me breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the chef will go in there and get you a random food because you didn't give the chef an instruction. So, but when you tell the chef, I want a goosey soup with goat meat, use this Maggi cube, Royco or no, use this bitter leaf or this vegetable. Now you've given it a menu and instruction of the kind of food you want it to cook. So now the AI is the chef. You now is the person that has given this AI instruction to do this thing now in order for this food to be prepared according to what you want. So you cannot be in the kitchen doing those things because you focus on other tasks that need more of your attention. I hope I broke it down to the basic
Very, very,
understanding
very,
of
very well. This is very, very amazing. Even me that knows better about this, the way you break it down, I come understand more than what I used to know before. I
So,
love that. I love your explanation. You really got it. Okay, our
sorry.
second guest.
Yeah, sorry. In addition to what Mordecai just said, so
Okay.
AI is a technology, all right, that can think and learn, that can do things like humans. So, for example, let's say you own a company and somebody is coming to somebody submitted application for a job. All right, the person that is coming for that job interview obviously is going to learn about the company, try to gather knowledge about the company. Do you understand? So that when you're coming for the interview, you'll be able to speak about the company if they ask you any question related to that company. So let's say when people say things like AI agents, so these are robots or softwares that can perform tasks, like humans. And in order for such agents to perform that kind of task, you need to feed that agent with a knowledge. All right. So let's say you have an empty space. The robot can be an empty space. Assuming this pen I'm holding now is the robot that you design, it can't perform any task or do anything. But when you feed this pen with knowledge, like let's say you want this pen to always be a robot that make you tea every morning. So you can tell this pen that every morning you need to make me tea by so time, so time. Then when you pass that knowledge to this pen will always make you tea every morning whenever you call upon this pen to do something for you. So just like what Monica said about YouTube, so you can build an agent that you can tell, okay, I'm a movie producer, and I tell Nigerian children's stories. All right. So I want you to always make me videos, interesting videos. So this is just a prompt that you feed to the AI agent. So the AI agent now will understand what you want to do, think like a human and create those videos for you and even help you post it on YouTube. Do you understand? So those of for people that are into businesses, you can also automate your work. Like if you check your emails every day and you have a lot of emails that you need to reply, you can build an AI agent that can manage that workflow for you, read all your emails, give you response, suggest response that you can use and reply those emails. And if you approve them, it will just go ahead and reply those emails. So it has come to simplify tasks for us, however you want to look at it.
Yeah, this is more than excellent, and I think my viewers from YouTube, because I'm going to upload this on YouTube, they'll be very, very happy and very, very grateful to see this video. The way you guys explain this, you really amaze me. I want to go to the other side because this AI of a thing, people usually think that AI is for professionals or for tech gurus, tech engineers, They think this AI, this question is coming for you, the last speaker, please. I want you
Okay.
to help me with that. People think this AI is for professionals because sometimes when I'm telling people about AI, they say, "Oh, I'm not educated. I can't speak English." That kind of a thing. Some people
Yeah.
comment on my comment sections, and people ask me this question. So I want you to really digest it so that people will understand the why, if ordinary people can use AI or uneducated people can use AI. Just let me know about this, please.
Well, it's amazing that right now AI is amazing that you don't need to be you don't even need to have any form of tech background. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be into tech to make use of AI. All you need is to understand how to use the tool, know the right tools to use. Do you understand? So right now, let's say you own a business and you want to build a website for your business. You don't need to know how to write the whole HTML, JavaScript, and blah blah blah, all the code. All you need to do is to understand what you want to sell on your website, what your website is all about, what your business is all about. Once you have that knowledge, then just make a breakdown of what the whole idea is all about. Then feed it to AI. Do you understand? When you feed that knowledge to AI, AI will help you break it down step by step, how you're going to go about it, how you're going to achieve it, even help you plan the whole process down to how you can use it and make money. Do you understand? So
Yes.
is a tool that has come to simplify task, and you don't need to have any form of IT background for you to make use of AI. Do you understand? So I always encourage people to go into it. One of my students currently, joined this program the first time we launched, and he doesn't have any form of tech background. Do you understand? But right now he's building applications that he's selling on Seller. He's even on what's the name of this platform again, where people go and search for freelancers. So all you need to, like I
Fiverr.
said, yeah, Fiverr, exactly. So he's there right now as a web developer. Now, what he does is when you come and approach him that you need a website, do you understand? He will just get your knowledge, get all the details you need for your website, and he will feed that knowledge to AI, and AI will help him develop the website. So all you need to do is to tell the AI that, okay, I want about us, contact us, homepage for this particular website, and maybe um, a chat box. Do you understand? So once you explain all of these, the AI will help you make the website, even your contact form. It will help you automate it so that whenever someone fill up the form, the client will get the request and also respond. So all you need to know in summary is just to know how to make use of the AI tools. You don't need to have tech background, and there is a whole lot that you can do with it.
Wow. This is very, very amazing. I don't really, I think I know how to explain things, but you guys are the best, I must confess.
In
Because
addition to, sorry to cut, in addition to that, too, like you can build products that you can sell. Do you understand? As like a tech person, you can build business applications that people can plug into and make use of in their platforms. Do you understand? So you don't need to have any IT background. All you need to know is to understand the right tools to use, and that's you're good to go.
this is excellent. I think Mordecai just came in. Mordecai, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I think you went off, right?
I don't know what pushed me out.
That's Facebook for you. You said we should do this here. So I think uh, Canis have answered my second question, and I want you to take the other question. Did you really understand what he just said? Explain.
Are you asking me or you're asking the audience?
No, I'm asking you. Did you hear what he explained?
Okay. Yes, I got what he explained. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
So,
he was breaking it
do you
down
have
in
anything to
detail.
add to that?
For now, no, I'm okay.
Okay, let's just go to the other question. I want to know about, people now use AI, but some of them don't know how to use this AI in today's world to make money. Some people use AI casually. So how do you think that people can use AI to make money, to grow their businesses, to grow so many things? Because I see some people who always use AI just casual, use it to make picture, use it to do guy, but they don't know that they can use that particular AI to make money. So how do you think people can use this to make money? Mordecai, it's like you're off again.
Um, okay, before he, I don't know, maybe network issues.
I
So,
think.
for you to make money with AI, there are so many areas that you can focus on. All right, you can go into selling of digital products. So you can design, um, you can design an AI agent that can help people manage their expenses. Do you understand? Then a lot of people, more especially people living in the Western world, um, most of them like planning how they spend money. Do you understand? And you can build a solution like that, all right, and put it up on seller and sell the product. You can sell as low as maybe $10, $14. You never know. Millions of people might be interested in the product. Then you can design templates as well. And all of these things, like I said earlier, you don't need to have any tech background. All right. You can design templates like website templates. So when you design website templates, you can sell on Team Forest. You can upload it there, and businesses, people will come. When they see your design, it looks good, people can make purchase. All right.
Wow.
So you can also promote people, you can also promote businesses, their brand. Like, let's say people that are into clothing lines, you can make an AI tool that can, fit their designs, like the way they model clothes and all of that. You can make a product like that where um, people that are into fashion can upload their designs, and the AI will kind of help them model those products. So you can make products like that and also sell. So you can also approach businesses to automate their workflow. All right. Companies obviously will need services like that. And the good thing about this AI is that it works 24/7. It doesn't get tired. All right.
Wow.
So, like hotel, you can build a hotel management system where the AI will be the one managing bookings and all of that and sell to hotels. So there are so many areas that you can go into and make money with AI.
This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Like someone asked this question, I think is Raymond. He said digital product like. Can you answer that question?
Okay, yeah, digital products like I just said earlier that you can design a product that can help people manage their expenses. All right. You can build something like that and upload it where, let's say, someone can come in and put in, okay, this month I want to spend so amount of money. It will help you plan that particular money so that you don't exceed your spending. Now, digital products, website template is a digital product that you can sell. All right. Hospital management system booking is a digital product that you can sell. All right. You can even um, you can even build an AI agent that can translate voice into local languages. Do you understand? When you make products like that, you can sell. Content creators can um, buy it to make use of the voice, because so many people that are into content creations right now, there is no application that gives like local language. You can make products like that and sell. Do you understand? So there are so many things that you can think of. All right. Just all you need to know about AI is that with AI, I don't think there is almost any idea you have now is possible to achieve.
Hmm.
Almost all, yes.
You know, this is amazing, I must tell you, because I have so many platforms where I build videos, I create videos and upload them. And some of those channels make a lot of money. Some of them make 2,000 something dollars every month. But if I'm explaining to people this, they want me to bring them into that particular, take their head and put it inside that AI so that they can be able to start it without learning, without anything, or without paying money to do those things. But if I tell them I'm making such money, they say, oh, some people don't work anymore. Some people stay at home, make money. You know,
Of
this is a
course,
digital
of
world,
course.
but some people don't want to understand this. My question is going to Mordecai so that you can pick up this one because you have said a lot. My question is, how do you think Africa will come into this? Because I'm not seeing Africans going into AI. The way I'm seeing everybody, they are so reluctant. They are not, if you are telling someone about AI, what AI is doing, they are just so reluctant. That means in the next 5 years, some people will still be reluctant, working for 200,000 naira every month. Why people are at home making $5,000 every month without going nowhere? So how do you think this thing will work for Africans? Mordecai,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly, bro.
Okay. Uh, right now, I won't say Africa is not into it right now, because right here in Nairobi, I can see so many startup. I can see people. I can see grants. I can see people giving out funds on everything. The main thing is what is African building with it, and what's because when it comes to the problem, building with AI is like it's a problem solving solution. What problem are you solving? And ChatGPT was trained by Kenyans, but the credit was not given to them. So, what problem are you solving with AI? And the ChatGPT and the AI which we are seeing right now was not built. If you see the way it is, it wasn't built for the African context, because AI assumes you already know how to speak English, which is not possible, because African continent is so blessed and diversified with so many cultures and languages. So we have so many problems we have here in Africa. Like there's some solution, like when Canis was talking about some past students, some solution we are building. There's a solution a student was building whereby a student built an AI solution that works offline. And I was kind of imagining how possible is that till I went into research and I saw it. There are so many problems we Africans have. There are so many problems in Africa right now, which we can solve very well. And building a solution with AI is going to help us solve them. For example, the one for, oh, which one should I give you now? Okay, for example, the one we Deep Nova we built for a client some time back for automating ads. This client came was like they do ads on Facebook and they spend millions of naira on ads. When they get the ads and the leads they get from it, they might get 1,000 leads from the ads. Imagine getting 1,000 leads from that ads, and after screening, checking everything, okay, let me go deeper so you can understand the kind of company it is and how they solved it. It was an immigration company. So they were like, they said, you know how immigration is for you to get those details of those clients, their passports, their bank statements. There's a whole lot. So when it takes so many time for those process for them to get all those things, it's going to take them minimum of 3 weeks. And that is like checking 1,000 email of people that applied. After that, they get only 5 or 3 leads are complete with documentation. That is 3 weeks of wasted time. So it needed an automation for it. So we came up with an automation. We come up with a solution of where they get the lead. Then when you click on the Facebook link, the link comes to the AI agent. The AI automates it in the sense that it has a voice conversation with this agent where it can tell it can have a conversation of what are you looking for, what route are you going for, what school is it for, business, is it for school, or whatsoever you're going for. Then the person answered the question according to the data that was trained to this agent. Then it's asking for permission to upload your passports and your bank statements. It takes it, we built it in the sense that this agent could able to verify this person's detail with the bank statement and the passports. Then the agent gives you a complete verification if you're 100% vetted or you have some what's it called, some setback in your documentation. If you're 100% vested, it tells you congratulations. Then send that lead to the to the clients that will build it for, in order for you to see that this person has been vetted. This is like 30 or 45 minutes of AI agent doing a 3 weeks job for them. So anybody that comes to their CRM, those people are vetted. So this is an automation that needs to be done. We need it. It's not like it's something that's westernized. It's not westernized. We need an agent that can able to help us work, because now AI is advancing. It's going to agriculture. Imagine when I was doing my time of growing my AI transitioning, I normally go for hackathon. Hackathon are where we have some time of training, a few hours of training, of giving a topic of competition, then we come up with a solution. So there was a solution we built about green energy. So that was something we built with AI that can help you do those kind of taxes. There are some areas you can put AI. It's in agriculture, it's in healthcare, it's in what's it called? In architecture. Me and you having a background in architecture. I was going on a meeting. I met a lady in a public transport, and she was an architect too. So I was trying to tell her how AI can be in architecture. She was like, how? There and there, I got a land um, a floor plan of a mansionette with elevation site plan. These are terminologies like people who are in the what's it called, the archi space, or the civil engineering, or basic knowledge of saying a front elevation or side elevation. You kind of understand that those people who have built houses understand when you see a site plan what I'm trying to say. So this was generated in less than 20 minutes. So these are something you can able to show a client that is thinking of something to do, instead of you like, okay, you're putting it in pen, you're putting it in writing. It's a time consuming. And as a Nigerian, like we all say, all of us like sharp sharp. Sharp sharp now, are you delivering quality, not quantity? So these are some things we need to build. AI can do for us.
Yeah.
Posting, you can automate your posting on your social media. You can automate, you can build a WhatsApp agent. If you're a tailor, you can build a WhatsApp agent that can take your order and everything. There's a AI, a startup a lady built here in Nairobi, of where you can upload your face and you pick clothes, then it fits you according to what the clothes you're taking. So you know how the clothes is going to be on you before you buy it. That is an initiative of problem that needs to be solved. So there are so many problems around us that we can build and we can solve with AI. It's just for us to put our imagination into the right
Okay.
perspective.
Okay, Mordecai, I really understand your point very clearly, and I believe my audience. Please, if you are hearing us, can you say yes on the comment section so I will know what I'm doing? Because I think we are. I was having cracks. I don't know whether it's just from my side or general. Can you? Okay, yes, you're hearing me. Okay. Um, Please, I want to, how can we start, like, if someone wants to trade or start using AI, how can that person start? Mordecai, I would like you to make it brief, okay? How can someone, because I'm seeing your company, you have a very large company in this Africa, as I'm seeing it. You can mention the name of your company and tell us how we can start. If someone wants to go into AI, someone wants to learn AI, someone wants to start a beginner, a beginner-friendly AI usage, just explain to us briefly.
Okay, like we opened this section, I'm the co-founder of Deep Nova AI. Also, Kanis Obi is my co-founder too. We both co-founded Deep Nova AI, an AI automation agency that builds automation in Africa. So these are our company. So with that, we came up with a beginner-friendly bootcamp called AIRA eHub, AIRA. AIRA eHub. It's a
Can
4 weeks boot camp.
can you type it on the comment section?
Okay, let me drop.
I'll pin it.
It's called AIRA eHub. So an AIRA eHub is a 4 weeks boot camp where you can learn how to automate, how to build websites, how to build videos. I'm battling with this life. I wanted to like flip my camera so I can show you, because we normally have one-on-one student before we said let's expound and see how we can create a boot camp and everything. I could have showed you a video of some videos which this past student has created with AI tools. So this is where you can able to have a beginner-friendly bootcamp of 4 weeks. You learn prompt engineering, image generation, cinematic video that you watch on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and vibe coding, where you can able to use prompts to build a website. Those ideas you've been thinking of, you've never thought of before, like it's going to be possible. This is where you can able to bring it to life with AI.
Are you there?
And for you, yeah, I'm here. And for you to join, Brain King is going to be dropping the link. It's
Okay. While we are talking, I will drop the link later, and I wish you can enlighten us more about this particular. How can someone generate videos? Because I see a lot of videos people are generating on social media. People want to generate video from. I can see you wanted to show something through your laptop, but it won't be possible. Maybe we should reschedule for another time. Like I will do that on TikTok and where again on YouTube, where you can be able to do that. Facebook have a lot of changes these days. So I want you to help us to digest it so that people will understand how can someone register, and how much is your registration, and how do you go about it? Because I have a lot of people who want to register and learn all these things.
Okay, the registration link, which I've sent it over to you. You know, you asked me of it. I sent it to you. You right now we're giving a window discount of 50% discount, which is 50. The former price is $100, but we're giving a 50% discount. So the current price right now is $50. If you're paying with Naira, it's 50,000 Naira for you to register, and the link is on our social handle, is on our LinkedIn, is on our Facebook page, is on our TikTok and Instagram. So all the registration links and how to, and our community links are also there in order for you to join and get update on how it's going to be.
Okay, at least we had a lot of views as we are talking. People join, they go, they join, they go. But I really want you to, what exactly will people learn? Because this thing you are talking about, I know is very small because people don't really understand AI, especially in Africa. Because I've done a lot of programs in Asia country. They have more interest. Even some people pay extra money after learning, you know. But some people here, they feel so reluctant. They believe that 50,000 is that kind of big money when they learn all these things. But I will not blame them. Tell us, what would they learn when they join this particular, when they pay this kind of money and join your program?
Okay. This one now, I'll break it into two. I'll take a part of it and I'll allow Kenneth to still break it down so we know what's deep, in depth, what you're going to learn. First, what you're going to learn is prompt engineering. When you talk about prompt engineering, I don't know, so many people are here with some basic background of computer science, and you know the ideology we all have back home, like you have to be a computer guru, you have to know for you to start become a tech person. Actually, that is not a lie, because for you to build a website, you have to know some basic knowledge of Python, JavaScript, PHP, and some other language, depending on the program you want to go into. So now, when it comes to AI, there's something called prompt engineering. As in, prompt engineering is the foundation, like the way those languages are in being a programmer. And for you to have a prompt engineering is learn how to instruct this AI. And you don't need to be a techie person. You don't need to have is, a computer skill or anything.
That is what you
So
mean is command, right?
yes,
You write command.
I'm about to break it down. Yeah, prompt engineering is like when I made the example of that chef. It's like giving the chef the basic context, the bureau, the this thing, the example on what the AI has to do in order for it to get it the way you want it. Because there's a saying, there's a garbage in, garbage out. When it comes to prompt engineering, how you arrange, how you construct your prompt matters a lot, because the construction of your prompt helps you to help the AI to structure, to understand the way it is. Like you trying to teach a kid in secondary school. If this kid now, you don't give him or her the basic guidelines of stage by stage on what to do in a subject or in a topic, he's not going to understand it. So prompt engineering is a basic context of giving this AI, learning how to structure your prompts in order for your words to come out. So you will not be like the general people that prompts ChatGPT, because everybody goes think ChatGPT is Google. No, ChatGPT is beyond that. You can, the way you prompt ChatGPT can give you what's it called? Give you some high intellectual prompt skills, prompt results. And in the course of the bootcamp, we're going to break down, give you some shortcuts of what to add or what to start and how to prompt in order for you to start prompting aggressively. There are shortcuts for ChatGPT. there are shortcodes for Claude, which we are going to unveil during the boot camp. So when you add those prompts, there's some prompts you ask to Claude. Claude gives you an aggressive thinking, brings out the thinking in order for it to give you a military rule of how, of the kind of question you've asked it, the task you've given it to. And there's a short code in Claude. You also give it, it builds a full dashboard for you without you having the knowledge of the dashboard with a breakdown. These are short code in order for you to understand Claude. And Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, they are all called LLMs, large language model. These are something we are going to break down for you to understand how this AI works when it comes to prompt engineering. So from there, we transition into the image and the video generation. So I'll allow Kenneth to break down what they're going to understand and what they're going to gain during those times.
Okay,
Okay.
Kenny.
Yeah, in addition to what Mordecai just said, the main purpose of this program is to make people understand what AI is. All right. They'll understand what AI is and how they can use it to be productive. So they are going to learn how to create content. All right. They are going to learn how to create products, digital products using AI. They're also going to learn how to do automations. They're also going to learn how to do marketing, branding using AI. Then they are going to learn how to generate videos, like to make a movie, you know, the kind of movies that they are watching on YouTube. They are going to learn how to generate videos like that. Okay. They're also going to learn how to develop a web portal, like a website, e-commerce using AI. So these are the areas that we are going to talk about because they are also very, very basic. It's just like a foundation for them to kickstart whatever idea that they have. I definitely believe that anybody that is above 18 years, you know, they have a lot of things they are thinking already that they want to do. So this program is going to give you that foundation to understand what this AI can do for you and where to also channel your energy outside the things that we are going to teach you. So when you have the basic foundation about it, you can also use it to develop your own personal ideas. All right. Yeah.
This is very amazing, and I really want to commend both of you for putting more energy to do this. But I really want to understand something. What made you people? This question, both of you can answer it. What made you to want to do this? Because some people don't have that mind like me. Sometimes I don't have that power to be teaching people how to use all these things. So what made you to create this particular AIRA eHub?
Okay, let me go first before I give the floor to Canis. Actually, there's so many AI bootcamps springing out lately and everything and all that.
Sorry, before you
So,
continue, what is this boot camp? People, you need to break some things down.
okay, boot camp is a short training. It's like how am I going to put it now? Okay, let me bring it down. It's like online for polytechnic. You know, polytechnic is a hands-on there. You get polytechnic and
Yes, yes.
university. Polytechnic is a hand-on deck. So this is a boot camp is like it's a hand-on training of, but in a shorter time of 4 weeks training of how to use different AI tools. You get me?
It's just for the fans. I understand, but I want them to know. I want you to break it down, layman's language. You can
Thank
keep
you.
on
So
going. Yeah.
so many boot camps are springing out and everything. And I was there's a one I went to. Let me don't call the name of the company. It was a retreat we all went to and all that. So I was like, they say they organize boot camp and everything. So I was curious, what boot camp are they doing? What are the texts and what are the programs? and I saw Gen AI. Gen AI is generative AI, which is ChatGPT and all that. So then I was like, okay, this is an opportunity for to see how the educational part is going to come about. But that was not the main. The main reason was like when it comes to the African culture and African context, they all believe that innovation comes to Africa last, which is not true because any innovation that comes is a technology that is going to change the future, that's going to solve a problem. We as Africans have more problems to solve with new technologies that we can adapt to. And for you now to solve a problem, they have to be educated about it. AI is over there. There's so many noise about it, but so many people don't understand it. So many people are scared. Even my sisters do ask me sometimes, where is AI going? Which part of my job is AI going to take? Who are the people like? It's not going to take your job. It's going to assist you in your workflow, in your day-to-day job. And I keep telling people that AI is not a job like a job you go and look for, like I'm looking for an AI job. No, it's the new normal. If I can ask people in the group now, how many of you use AI in your day-to-day life? People can tell me 40%, 50, 30, but categorically, you're using it if not 100%. Your WhatsApp is AI. This streaming is AI. If you drop this call, you're going to face another one unknowingly. Have you ever wondered sometimes when you type something or you think of something and you discuss with someone, in the next hours or in the next few days, your algorithm is full of that idea you've been thinking of because your phone is listening to you. It's an AI gadget, but you don't know about it. So AI is in our day-to-day life. How are we going to use it? And for you to use it, you have to be educated about it. You have to know the ethics about it. You have to know what and what to do about it. So that led to like, okay, let's educate Africa first in order for them to understand how to solve a problem using these gadgets in a day-to-day life. So that was a beginning and the idea about how it came about.
That's very excellent. Bro, you can add to yours, please.
Okay, so when like I said earlier, I'm a full stack developer. So as a programmer, I used to take me time, to build my applications, whether web or mobile, but with this idea of AI, everything became
Become
like
easy.
very, very easy. Do you understand? So, and before I started making use of AI, it was quite difficult for me to even know where to focus, what to do with it. What is this whole AI thing all about? The social media space is full of AI. Now, where to start is was a problem for me until I was able to understand it and know how to use it. So I know a lot of people are struggling with that. A lot of people are struggling, what is this thing? Where can I use it? How can I even start? So that's idea, because of what I went through, made me to team up with Mordecai for us to create this program where we will educate people and all of us will learn together, because I don't know it all. The more you spread the knowledge, the more you also learn from other people that you trained. All right. So the whole idea is to make people to start making use of this AI because it has come to stay. And those that are confused about it, this program is going to help them to kickstart their journey. So that's the reason why we put up this program.
So I want to add to this question for someone, because people are watching this and people will still watch it later. I want to know how can this boot camp that you are going to have very soon transform the lives of people who want to go into AI and so many other things. So how can it provide opportunity after getting this particular knowledge from your own bootcamp?
Okay, that is a very, very good one because knowledge without putting it into practice is a hobby. Uh, for example, for instance, I told you about if I wish I could showcase the past students, what they've done and everything. She's an Indian lady. She based in Abuja. She was saying there was a time she hated AI because they keep telling her AI is going to take your job, AI is going to do that and everything. So, and I told her when we started the boot camp that before the end of this training, you're going to go with a portfolio and ready made product for you to put out there. She thought it was a joke. Right now, she designed a cinematic advert video that speaks pidgin, that speaks our local language and everything. And now she can able to see how she can build websites, all those things she never thought of. These things now, when it comes to building, creating a video, when you're a producer, you know how it is, the cost of camera, how it took you for you to achieve all these things, the time and everything. Even putting in your zeal for learning, because that is the main thing. You have to have that zeal for learning. If you don't want to learn, you'll never be able to improve. If you have the zeal for learning, this is where you can able to like create ads and for you to create websites for people who are unable to do that because these things this thing we are doing right now, this AI education that is coming up right now, and people who are trying to learn this thing now, I tell you, people are going to start this journey in the next 2 to 3 years. I started my 2 years, going to 3 years now ago. People are going to learn in the near future, and who is going to teach them? You that started it now, because the space is we're just on the beginning space. And when some people come to me and ask me, is this AI paying? Sometimes I don't answer those questions. I find it true why, but I don't express myself. Why I say that is because I don't see what's right now you're going to start up, you're building, that money is not the end goal. But if money is the start, you're not going to achieve it because money is never enough. So have a problem to solve. If you have a problem to solve, if you can solve a problem, you've made money because people will pay you for you to solve their problem. And with AI, you can build solutions to solve problems.
Wow. Do you have any other thing to add to this, bro?
No, no, no.
Okay, okay. It's a very nice program. I'm really enjoying this. So how can people join this program and how can they join the bootcamp? Can you really explain it in layman's language? I think all of us are Nigerians because if you can
Yeah.
explain it very, very well, people will better understand it and join.
Uh, First of all, Kings, can you drop your link in the chat for them to first of all see the link
Do
so I
you do
start
you
following?
have that link? Can you help me? I sent it to you, right?
Give me a minute. Let me check.
Because if I should go out here now, I can't. This thing may cut.
Okay, give me a
Let
minute.
me let me.
Okay, I've seen it. Let me see. Let me drop it in the group, in the section.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay.
Okay. Do you see it?
I've dropped it in the group. I don't know. Can you see it there?
Yeah, I'll just. It has not come up. Just on the comment section, do it as a
Yeah,
comment.
yeah, yeah. I've pasted it on the comment section.
Okay. Okay, you can go ahead to explain. I think I've dropped the link I saw. And there is a question someone I pinned here. I don't know. Can you really answer that question as well? I have been, he said, Dominic Global said, I have been looking for this, please. Can we learn how to create movies?
Yeah, of course. Kenny's have been saying it. You learn how to create the movie, create a
Oh.
cinematic movie. That's what I was saying. I wish I could share my this thing, my screen and flip for you to see a video of what some people
But
have done.
you can just put it on the screen and try to do that, okay? Just
You can see
put your
me now,
laptop
right?
on the screen.
You can see me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Hold on. Can you see this?
Yes.
Let me
If you
play.
can see it, can you say hi, please?
When it's ready, you tell
Can
me
you
to
comment
play.
hi? Wait, let me. Can you see this, please? I think I'm not seeing your. Is
Can
anybody
I play
there?
now?
Okay, you can play.
Mommy, what's special for dinner today?
Yes, Mommy, tell us.
It's a surprise.
If you can see it, say you can see it.
And it won't even take me long to prepare. With Indomie noodles, fresh vegetables, and a touch of love, oh, dinner comes together in no time. One beautiful aroma. One delicious moment. One meal everyone loves. The joy of my family is my joy. And Indomie noodles does it all.
So did you see that?
Wow, this is wonderful. You made this video, right?
One of my students,
Really?
yeah, one of my past students did this. So these are some videos you're going to do at the end of the boot camp. You can able to like make your own personal video. Like if you go
Hello, everyone.
if you go to my what's it called? If you go to my own Instagram, some videos are there. They are AI videos, but you don't know. It's an advert of myself. Like I did an AI twin of myself. So those people that create content creators and everything, where you can able to like, you don't need to be on the camera and all that all the time for you to create those things. So with AI, you can create those images, those videos, mostly for those people who are camera shy. Because when I started this AI journey, I don't like cameras. I never knew I could come to life. Like Brian, the first day I met you was on Maz ETT live on TikTok, right?
Yeah.
So all those things, it's time, it's consuming because I can't be doing live and all those things and be building solutions. So with AI now, I can able to automate that. I can give it my prompt, my script, it creates my video, I post and I keep doing what I'm doing.
Okay, there is another question I want to ask. You were saying something before we landed, but my question, I know many of them would want to ask this question. Had it been someone want to start creating these movies now after they teach the learning, would they pay for the apps or is there any free app that they can use to be creating all this?
Yeah, there are free apps. Yeah, they will introduce you to free and paid one. But you know, no matter what it is, The quality of a free and paid one is not going to be the same, but they are free available ones.
Okay, but those paid one is not that expensive.
No, it's not expensive.
Okay, but someone can create like, what is the minimum they can create ish?
It depends. You see now, the creation of this thing now, creating a video takes longer time and everything. So now, the length of how you're going to create a longer video is what we're going to teach you in the boot camp for you to understand how are these people getting all these video, what is the brainstorming behind it in order for you to get these longer videos.
Okay, wow. This is very, very interesting. I know I will bring a lot of people to come and learn this. Even me personally, I will pay money for some people to come and watch it. Are you getting my point? So because it's a very good one. People don't know about these things, and when you are talking to them about AI, they feel like AI is just I don't know whether they call it spiritual something or something that is not reasonable. I don't know, because we have traveled and we have seen something, we have witnessed people using it to make a lot of money. I remember when Trump was saying that a young boy walked into his office and he was looking so wearing shirts. No, he was not dressed well properly. He was asking him, "Why did you dress like this coming to my office?" He said, the guy replied to him that he just feel like dressing like this. And the other person called Trump and said to him, this boy worth up to $1 billion. Trump said, "Why? Why can someone like him work?" He said, "What did he do for a living?" He said, he create videos, he put it on social media. People was, "How do you create?" He said, "AI." Do you people don't know about this AI. It's just happening, like they don't understand where this AI is, what AI is all about. So I want you to really explain more. Point out the things that you know that people will benefit, that is trending now, like they can gain. I know you have said this thing before, but the way you said it, I'm the one who trying to make you to explain more about creating a video, because you can see this person asking you this question now. Can you do video? That means he did not understand properly what you were saying. I want you to explain to them. Yes, you can. They can learn how to create videos. They can learn how to create make prompts. They can, from beginning to the end, on how to create videos, movies, cinematic movies, pictures, cinematic pictures, all these things, and they can use it to upload it on social platform and make money and give instances people who are making money through this particular thing. You need to tell them what they want to hear, because people are, especially Nigerians, we are this kind of people, we want to see results before we believe.
Okay, I get where you're coming from and everything. When it comes to the Nigerian market right now, I would say Nigeria is not in the AI space, but Nigeria is there, but we are not deep into it because of information are being restricted due to power, due to bundles. We all understand everything. We are all born into the system. But what we're trying to do in area eHub is for you now to be able to like create a system, because I listened to that thing Money Point said that really hurts me, like it pains me, saying that we don't have that knowledge, because Nigerians are very very brilliant and everything.
But that is
We
true.
don't
But that is
understand.
true, right?
Yeah, you get, because the information is not there for you to consume. If the information is there for you to consume faster and better, you get it, and to the right people, like what Kenny said, when we were transitioning to this, like him having a tech background. I don't have a tech background. I came from architecture. He came from that. So he has to even learn again, even with his tech background. Imagine you having a tech background, and if you come to that, it's like when you tell a lawyer, you guys read a lot. No, it's not about read a lot. They need information in order for them to solve a problem. So this is something, it's not a big thing. We are not here for you to come and be the first person, the first position. No. The essence of this eHub is not for you to come and learn in the boot camp and you go. No, it's a community, because we need a community of builders, of African innovators that has this idea of solving a problem. And this is a community of where we're going to train you firsthand, hold you by your hand, transition you from the boot camp to the next level if you want to continue in our because there's a community we have already. So for you to start building this innovation, for you to solving a problem, and as time goes on, I will grow, because this is a new niche of AI into the African sector. As time goes on, grants, accelerators are going to be springing out. When it comes to what's it called, buildathon or hackathon, any of them is going to come up where you're going to win some prizes, maybe a scholarship into the next cohort, or some things is going to help you transition. So what you need to know is that there's no knowledge is lost. Even me having a background in architecture and now calling myself an AI solution architect, I never left my certificate as an architect. It's inside of it, because AI is structured in order for you to build it from ground up. So having the architectural part of a solution and having a technical person, which is kind of inside, the brainstorming idea of we coming to team up to build something to solve a problem in Africa is not, I'm not outside of Africa, even though he's in Canada, yes, I'm here in Nairobi, but we are solving an African problem. So there are some things in future that AI has to do for us. We need to understand, to learn, to start using these tools at our own disposal to build solutions that can solve a problem in our own environment. Because right now, I didn't even believe I can build a solution that works offline. I was surprised. I was thinking it's for this time tech giants, but right now with AI, it's possible. I can build a solution that works without the internet, and when the internet is back, it can able to update. So these are problems you're solving. So when you learn this, the future is bright, because this is the next phase. You can be able to compete with anybody globally. This is the first time all over the globe that information is equal with everybody. Everybody have the same information. We are not left behind. So since we are not left behind, let us change the narrative of that for you to get information as a black man, you have to put it in the book. No, we are here to learn. We are here to solve a problem. We are going to build something and see how it's going to be.
This is really very amazing. I really enjoyed this program, and I think I will be advertising this program, and I will be keeping it on this platform until people get to know it before then. So when is the date of this program coming up?
We are officially opening classes on June 1st, but we are onboarding on 30th, end of the which is 30th of the that's 31st on the Sunday, which is the onboarding.
I think it's not clear. I can't hear you. Maybe
I'm echoing. I can hear myself from the side.
Yeah, I don't know why that is happening. Maybe the other guy should say something. Is he here?
Canis, are you there?
Canis, are you there?
So can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. So
you can round it off and tell them what they want to hear. Just say whatever you want to say to them now, so that we can call it a day and be scheduled for another time before the program.
Okay. What I'm saying is Classes should be open on June 1st. Onboarding is on 31st of May. Of how for you to understand what to learn in the rest of the boot camp.
What to expect?
What to expect?
It's all right. Are you guys still there?
Yeah, Canis is saying he's here.
Okay, Canis, do you have any other thing to say before we call it a day? Because me too, I'm going to.
Have to add it.
Canis, do they have network problem in Canada? I think Mordecai is out.
I'm here.
Okay, I think he's scanning that is out. Maybe he's having network problem. Okay, Mordecai, you can just round up the program so that we'll call it today. And you have any other thing to add to what you have already said? Okay.
So what I'm about to say, what I'm saying is this now. We are in an era of where we are in an industrial revolution where we've been living on written regulations that have been written by the past generation. So we are opportune to write the next generation. So the question you get to yourself, what rules are you going to write? In the sense that what problem are you going to solve for the next generation to live on? Because people are going to write the rules, people are going to listen to the rules. Which place do you fall into? And if you miss Bitcoin, don't miss AI 2020.
I think the network is bad. I want to round up by saying that if you are here and you are dreaming to learn this AI of a thing, because some of you do come to my inbox to ask me questions, how do you create AI? How do you do this? This is your opportunity to come and join this program and learn AI properly. You become a professional. You can even equally be teaching people outside and collect money, because this is a very big knowledge that you can impact in people. If you can be able to learn this, you learn how to, you open your own page, create AI. People are making a lot of money. People don't, even, you can see this guy, Mackenzie comedy. He don't do comedy anymore. What he does is AI. He posts, he teach people about AI, and his own, he collects either $150, you know, but he can't do better than these guys. These guys are very good. So I want to tell you to please go and learn AI. Start using AI. AI is what is making people rich. Yahoo, no, they work again. AI. Just only $50. If you go there, you click the link, you register, you wait for the time. I am here to guarantee you that these guys are the best. They are one of the best in the world. Maybe because you are seeing them on my platform, you may not understand who they are. They are one of the biggest AI gurus in the world. I'm the one who asked them to come so that we share this impact with people. So you need to do this. I'll drop the link again, and I will really advertise this so that people will go and learn it. So that after learning it, you come back to me and say, oh, I am grateful I learned this from your page. Thank you very much, guys. I'll be calling it a day. Please learn AI. You can quit your job after learning AI. I am telling you the gospel truth. I'm a witness. If you can chat me privately, I'll show you so many pages I have that create AI. They make a lot of money in dollars. You can be in your country, Nigeria, and be earning in dollars. This is not a joke. People are making money. People are making a lot of money from AI. I am a witness. Me, I'll be witness for this. So if you are still sleeping and you don't want to go into AI, some of you are here, you don't comment, you don't do anything because you are getting free advert, you are getting free knowledge, you don't know what is AI. But you know, when crypto came out, I was so reluctant. People made a lot of money from that. But now the era of crypto has gone. This one is AI, is knowledge. Very soon the world will be surrounding you with knowledge of AI. Now, if you just collect this before, when you collect hospital results, you need to go to your doctor to explain to you. But you can just upload it somewhere where you can use AI. AI will explain it to you better than your doctors and tell you what you can do and what you cannot do. This is AI. AI is working. AI is making people go viral. AI is making people to become multimillionaires. I know one guy who left to America to come to Nigeria to just relax and be doing AI movies. He's making a lot of money, almost $25,000 every month. So what are you saying? You can do this, you can do this. Just learn how to do it. Thank you very much, guys. Please share this video so that it can go viral. People will see it and start learning AI today. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Call it a day.